Did you know there's a secret formula that combines ancient Japanese wisdom with modern science to rejuvenate your skin and revitalize your energy? Today, we're diving into Revisil, an innovative supplement that not only helps reduce the signs of aging, but also renews your vitality and well being. Revisil is more than just a skincare product, it's a revolution in fighting the effects of time. With powerful ingredients like Nagaimo, a special root used for generations in Japan, Revisil delivers benefits for both your appearance and overall health. Check out the key benefits of this Eastern secret. 1. Renewed and youthful skin. Smooths wrinkles and fine lines for a natural glow. 2. Recharged vitality. A boost of energy you'll feel every day. 3. Natural and safe formula. Free from harsh chemicals, with visible, long-lasting results. If you're looking for a solution that blends tradition and innovation, Revisil might be the key to a healthier and more energetic life. Experience a supplement designed to rejuvenate your skin and boost energy naturally. With visible and long-lasting results, Revisil offers a complete solution for those who want to age with health and vitality. Remember, Revisil is only sold on the official website, and I've left the link in this video's description. If you want me to talk about another product, leave your comment below. Unlike conventional creams, Revisil works from the inside out, regenerating cells and giving you visibly younger-looking skin. With ingredients like antioxidants and vitamins, it fights free radicals and revitalizes your body, giving you an energy boost that lasts. The secret lies in the unique blend of natural elements that enhance anti-aging effects, making you feel and look younger. This exclusive formula is developed based on traditional Japanese practices and refined with modern scientific discoveries. If you want to age gracefully with style, health, and vitality, don't miss the chance to try Revisil. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more amazing tips like this.